go. She's growling. They're playing. Duchess and Abby. Tuesday morning. Whoa. Flip over. Get you, Grandma. Get you, Grandma. Good girl. Good girl. Play with Abby. Cute. Can't hardly get it. They're over in a corner. Here's the toys. There we go. It's a better view.
Now rated R as opposed to PG-13, which I think sort of defeats part of the purpose because the people you want to see it are not,
She's running.
Absolutely.
Come here, baby. Come here, Abby. Yeah, she's going over here by her bed. Where are you, baby? Oh, she come get in this bed. She's got beds all over this living room. This is her favorite bed right here. So I'll come get in bed and I'll go sleep. Oh, we're going to wrestle this a little bit.
We screened it for 500 students in St. Louis very recently, and about must have been 300 things on our Facebook wall. And many of them were like, I want to now be a principal, but I didn't stop bullying. A young kid named Max said, I think he was a 7th or 8th grader, said, on my bus ride home today, a kid was being bullied, and this time I stepped in. I stopped it, and then I took him to the counselor. I walked with him. I made that difference. And he said, I never would have done it had I not seen this movie.
And that's what you are trying to do.
Very much so.
Yeah, you're making a difference.
Abby.
Thank you so much for having me.
Abby. Baby.
Happy Our Memory has always been unforgettable.
Abby.
She started without a trace. Now she's starring as Detective Carrie Wells in another hit drama on CBS.
Abby.
Called Unforgettable. So why was he?
Sometimes when I come in, she'll be hidden over here under this blanket. And I don't think she knows her name yet, but she knows when she's being called. Because I'll see the blanket move, so I'll know where she's at. And then if she's just scouting around, sometimes she'll be in another room just prancing around and looking at everything.
Unforgettable is doing really well in its first season. Thank you very much.
But she pretty much goes all over the house.
Poppy Montgomery is here in the city. Hello, Poppy Montgomery.
In the mornings when she wakes up, she's in the pen with Duchess, which is in our bedroom. And of course we got the door closed in the mornings. And They'll just lay there and play and play and play and never wake me up.
Yes, and they're all flowers. Except for boys, who has my brother's Jethro Tull.
Well, makes sense to me.
I'm going to Seepy. I'm getting tired of going to Seepy. Get a little close-up shot here. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Let me see that little face. Oh, yeah. Pretty, pretty face. Okay, let me more see the face. Oh, yeah. Look at you. Look at you, sweetie. Yeah, you sleepy. I'm sleepy now. I'm tired. I played. See you later. I guess I can still chew on a finger. See you later. No touches.